Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing a solution for a problem. Let me show you the problem. So I'm facing this Mixin error here. How to fix this in Angular? Let me just show you. So let's get started with the video.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update.
So guys, first of all, let me just show you what I have done is I was just trying to decrease the build size, and you can see here I have style.scss and two different components. In both I was loading it, so because of that size was bit higher. Is I've what I've done is I've imported this as a initially I'm loading this file, so I don't have to call it again and again here. And this way I will not be importing the style.css. Instead of that I will be using variable.css because I've used some variables here, and use this, and I will just copy this, and here also I will change it variable.scss. So whatever variables are required will be loaded. File is variable.scss, and I've already added the required variables here. You can see here, and after importing this variable.scss, I'm getting this mixin error, and I've tried a lot of ways to fix it, but now I'll show you the simplest way to solve this problem. What you have to do is you have to just simply use mixin.scss, which I have already uh, used here, you can see, but the thing is it's not working properly. So I commented out and tried, then also it was not working. So I've got this different way to solve it. So you can see here this variable dot file scss file is getting loaded. So here itself we will be importing uh, the mixin.scss, but this will be from bootstrap. So bootstrap is already installed in the node modules, and simply have to go there, and you can see the path here, and just you have to type scss, and here you have to type mixin.scss, and just like that you have to save it and wait for the build to compile. So you can see this error. How to fix this error I've already showed. Let's just wait for the build compilation. So it's just simple one line code. So guys, you can see here it's compiled successfully and the error is also gone. So in this way you can fix the error, mixin error, from your Angular application. So that's all in today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching this video guys, and bye for now.